Trying to fix this drain clog over here in the kitchen sink using an auger, snake auger, whatever. Got at Home Depot, just the rigid kind. So, quick tip, when you put them in, make sure it's like 6 to 8 inches, 6 inches. Put it in, make sure it's all to the edge of the pipe. See how I'm putting to the edge? I'm not going straight in the middle. The edge of the pipe. And just spin it. If it gets stuck, reverse the spin and just make sure it goes in. It might take a while. I'm gonna go as deep as I can so our drainage don't work at all. Easy. My arm's getting tired. I'm gonna try to pull it out now. See what it looks like. Clean it. Oh, look at that. See? Look at that. Damn. I'm about to test out the kitchen drain. I used the snake auger. Now I'm putting hot water down the drain. Hopefully it works. Yeah, I'm fixing the drain. So, let's see if it works. Excuse me. Let's hope it works. Yep, the snake auger worked. So basically, that's all it was. Use a snake
What was wrong
auger.
with it?
I guess you just gotta clean it up, and the pipe was clogged. The snake auger, I kind of bent the auger like this way, so when it spins like kind of crooked like that, so it could hit the inside of the pipe and clean and catch whatever that needs to be catched by the auger. And when you pull out the auger, make sure you clean it too. See, the bag gotta wrap it back up. But yeah, so finally we got water now. I'm at the drainage work now. So. If this video helped you out, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.